Hey everybody, Shawn from Silicon Theory here, and I have today a Galaxy S9 for unboxing. Now, I know it seems kind of strange that we've already got the S9 Plus review live on our channel, and now I'm going to be doing an unboxing, but I did have an opportunity to get the Galaxy S9 Plus in-house, and as some of you may know, Samsung a little while ago started offering larger storage size capacities directly through their website. So what I have here is the Galaxy S9 in the 128 gig storage configuration in the very nice looking coral blue. So let's go ahead and get started and unbox this guy. So as you can kind of see right away, the packaging is pretty standard. You've got the Samsung logo displayed kind of front and center there. And then the box opens from the one side. On the inside, we've got some reading material. Looks like a SIM tool. We've got your transfer card, quick reference guide, and of course the all-important terms and conditions. And then an ad to buy genuine Samsung accessories. Fantastic. So inside we have the actual S9 itself. Now again, this is the smaller of the two phones, the 128 gig configuration in the coral blue, which has this nice iridescent color here. And let's put it to the side for the moment and take a look and see what else is inside the box. So you've got the wall adapter, and like I showed in the LG G7 review, Samsung puts the USB portion of the charger on the side, which I think is a nice touch. You've got the transfer little dongle, and then headphones. Very nice, AKG tuned stereo headphones. So this is something that Samsung mentioned that they were going to be making available, and they do this internationally quite a bit, but it's nice to see that you can get it when you order directly from Samsung. Got the USB-A to USB-C cable there, and this looks like multiple different ear tips for the headphones. So great. I think looks like that's pretty much everything that comes inside the box. Throw all that back inside so we don't lose it. This is a phone that was purchased and we're going to need to use it. So let's go ahead and do the delicious part, which is peel off all the plastic here. And again, on the left side, you've got your volume rocker, got the Bixby button, the all-important and very useless Bixby button, and then on the right side, the power lock switch, the front of the display, 18:9 form factor, and then we've got your camera and the new placement of the fingerprint sensor, which is much, much better. So let's go ahead and boot this guy up and see what we get. Oh, hello there to yourself. So you can press start to get started in English. We have no SIM tray, so we'll have to figure out what we're going to do here, but that's pretty much it in a nutshell. I'm going to go ahead and set up the phone at a later time, but as you can see, we've got the Galaxy S9 unboxed and pretty much ready to go. If you have any questions regarding the Galaxy S9 or the S9 Plus, our review of which I'll link down below in the description, go ahead and leave us a comment below. And if you enjoy the video, make sure you gently press that thumbs up button. And if you love the video, you can always subscribe to our channel using the button that looks like our logo in the corner. Thanks again for watching, and we will talk tech soon.